Celebrating service in Nye County for 10 years, Desert View Hospital.
Well, this weekend, the Saturday the 9th, we're going to be doing a little health insurance open enrollment event. We're going to be hosting it from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. over at the Prump Wellness Center, formerly known as Back to Roots, which is across the street from the main post office off of Postal Road. We're going to be helping people here in Prump that need to help sign up for health insurance through the healthcare.gov website and just individual health insurance. We're going to have a few brokers there that'll help people with their needs. Go through all your questions you have about health insurance, what's changing this year, and just get enrolled right before the deadline, which is the 15th.
It can be confusing, can't it?
It can be confusing, and the website can be kind of annoying to work with. Some people sit there for hours and get upset. They put their name in places and they just get upset and pull their hair out. And it's just working with the broker, we'll just make life easy for you. We'll just help you guide through it, ask you questions which pertain to you, and get you the right plans.
What should they be prepared to bring?
The biggest thing you want to have, if you're not a citizen, make sure you bring copies of your green cards, certificates of that. Other than that, we just need names, socials, date of births. If you want to bring in income information, that's beneficial to make sure we know, what you expect to make next year, so that way you can get the tax credits that you're eligible for.
Sometimes bringing just your tax return from last year is a good idea.
It's just a good idea to have it, just to make sure you know kind of what you made last year, so that way we can gauge what you expect to make next year. It's not always necessary to bring it, as long as you at least know kind of what you get paid and what your income is. If you don't, then we can work with you other than that too.
All right. So on Postal Road at the Prump Health and Wellness Center?
Correct. Prump Wellness Center, formerly known as Back to Roots. It's right across the street from the post office, the main post office.
10 to 4.
So 10 to 4, and come bring yourself over. Especially, we have a lot of people that are losing coverage this year. We had a couple insurance carriers that are leaving the marketplace. So those people definitely want to make sure you come out. Even if you're renewing your coverage from last year, it's always great to work with a broker. It doesn't cost you any money to work with us. We're perfectly free. We're just there as a professional help to make sure that you get the coverage you need.